singers, and welcome to your vocal exercise of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen. I am the founder of Kovo, which is short for Community Vocalizing. And during our specialty Kovo vocal workout this week, our topic was vocal weight. In this session, we learned the definition of vocal weight, and we sang through about a dozen exercises that a singer can include in their routine that encourage a less weighted vocal production. In other words, we learned how to lighten up, but in a healthy way, by teaching the vocal cords how to thin out. When a singer is struggling with vocal production that feels heavy or overly weighted, this singer is employing too much thick vocal cord mass, too high in pitch. And I know what you're thinking. Can I consciously control that? Can I thin my vocal cords at will? Unfortunately, no, but there are vocal exercises that are great at encouraging this behavior, including your vocal exercise of the week. And it's a kind of fun and funny one. In this exercise, in order to encourage the vocal cords to thin out, that is, in order to drop vocal weight, we will ask them to be agile by changing notes really quickly a couple times before arriving at a sustained tone. And if this exercise works as intended, the sustained tone is going to feel light and free. So I'm going to display the exercise. It can feel like a yodel, and that is not wrong. Traditional yodeling is an abrupt thinning out of the vocal cords to the point that there is an audible register change, like yodelay, 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 yo. Now, obviously I am not a yodeler, and that is not our artistic goal as classical singers. But the micro yodels in this exercise can have a very positive effect on the vocal weight of what comes after. So let's first try using the bottom note when you see a split. We will be singing major thirds, and we'll use the E vowel. So it goes like this. I'll play it once. And then you sustain, and you come back down. Let's try it. Here we go. E, 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 E. Let's do it up a half step. Here we go. E, 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 E. And try one on your own. Here you go. Now let's try it using the upper note when there's a split. Now we'll be singing perfect fifths, and we'll use the O vowel. And I warn you, this one is going to feel even more yodely. That's okay. So that's our interval. Let's try this together. Here we go. Let's try another. Here we go. And try one on your own. Here you go. How do those top notes feel? It's kind of fun, right? So I invite you to play with this exercise in the coming week. Now, if you are interested in accessing our entire 45-minute vocal workout on vocal weight, instructions on how to access that are in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up directly into your inbox, instructions on how to do that are in the description below. And finally, if you are not already joining us for our free general vocal workouts, we would love to have you. We meet every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time on Zoom. And instructions on how to request our free link are, you guessed it, in the description below. So singers, remember that regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health and fitness. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a fun, creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. So we hope to see you there.